Hello, my handsome boy. First thing we're going to do is grab the Aunt Jackie's Girls Heads Up Moisturizing and Softening Shampoo, enriched with coconut oil, shea butter, and extra virgin olive oil. This is perfect. It helps cleanse and soften hairs without stripping youthful hair of its natural oil. Look at his little face. He is so unhappy. Oh my goodness, but he is so cute looking so unhappy. Next, we're going to grab the Aunt Jackie's Girls Not Having It Leave-In Ultimate Detangling Moisturizer. You could use this for daily use because it instantly detangle, moisturize. And now the next thing we're going to do is put starter locks in my baby boy's hair. So of course I'm going to use the Aunt Jackie Curl Boss Gel to begin the starter lock. Look at my big boy. He's doing it with no problem. He's not giving me no hassle or anything. So the next thing we're going to do is let it dry overnight because he is, in my opinion, way too young to be sitting under a dryer. So I want him to be comfortable, and I'm going to just let his hair dry overnight. And now here we are, and we're going to reveal the finished product. Dun 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 dun. Yes, we are twinning, and of course I'm going to grab the Aunt Jackie's Girls E-Blast to add a little bit moisture to my baby boy's hair. I absolutely had so much fun creating this video with my baby boy. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, if you are interested to see how I achieve my coils, go ahead and check out my video. But until next time, until we meet again, until we're back on YouTube watching another crazy video of mine, bye bye.